millionaire. No.
Ah!
The camera was running, the red light would be on. Afterwards, I'll take you to dinner any place you want.
I just want to thank you for helping me out, Jack. And after the wedding, let me take you to dinner any place you want.
It should be like quiet, Zach. I don't know. He's obviously pissed about something. He's obviously pissed about something. Can't quite seem to tell what it is though. Take it perfect. There's been no problems.